Alright guys, it's time for another episode of Weekend Warriors. And last week when we challenged the Philippine team of the paintball guys at Global Guts, we decided to take a little bit easy today.
That's right. Getting your ass kicked is exhausting, okay?
Yep.
And I'm through with all these testosterone challenges. This week here at Splash Island, we're gonna take it easy, of course.
And enjoy the park.
Of course, yes. And we brought it with us, our muse, blast from the past, Noelle De Guzman, along for the ride.
Hi guys.
Yeah, no, what's up, Noelle?
Nothing much.
Nothing much.
I'm back to enjoy another weekend with you guys.
I hear you're a dance instructor.
Well, I am.
Alright, show us some moves. Show us some moves. Come on.
I think maybe he's got the moves.
Come on. What's the song?
Never gonna dance again. Guilty feelings.
What are you doing?
And
Oh no, this is not the place for it. Oh my god.
You.
Okay.
What better way to kick off our day in Splash Island by getting on the ride named after the guy who discovered the Philippines or put the Philippines on the map, Magellan. All right, this is called Magellan's Drop. It's 500 feet long and 60 feet up.
It's our first ride. We've got 4-year-olds behind us, so there's no turning back. We gotta do it no matter what, right? Heaviest ones always end up first.
This is the Rio Montañosa. Some of the guys say it kind of sounds like a porn star name. It's the longest ride in the park, and we're getting on it. So, excuse me.
Okay, King Philippine ride is so fast, you're traveling 400 feet in 13 seconds.
Here I go. Guys, it's now time for a ride. It's called Twisted Palms. It's got 360 degrees and 180 degree turns. So let's find out how twisted it really is.
Okay, we're now here in a ride called TAUSUG Trails, where you ride an inner tube similar to Twisted Palms, but the difference is Twisted Palms is covered and this one's uncovered. So let's get it on!
So not only does Splash Island have the thrilling rides, the thrilling slides, but it also has places where kids and parents can chill out and have fun. So the last time I was in a wave pool with these guys, I had a big stick to play with.
Yeah, man.
Now we've got big balls.
Oi, Noelle, touch my ball. Touch my ball.
Like this.
Yeah, that's right, guys. You're gonna bounce around in these wet balls right here.
White stuff. What is this?
I felt like a hamster in one of those things that you're around.
Coming out.
So after a fun-filled afternoon here at Splash Island, it's time to relax at the BALSA River.
And you know, it feels so good to be a kid all over again. You know, it's been years since I've had this much fun in this sort of way. I don't think you ever outgrow a slide.
Well, the great thing about this place is it's open from 10 to 5 p.m. on weekends, but during summer times it's open every single day. And for $500 per person, you can't go wrong.
And plus, if you're a kid, you get a little bit of a discount too.
Yep.
Yeah, but you know, there's a kid in all of us, right?
So Noelle, thank you for coming. How was your
Guys,
experience?
thanks once again for taking me along. Yeah, my favorite ride was the Magellan's Cup. It's still by far the most exciting ride, excluding that riding with Am's car.
Well, anyway, Weekend Warriors till next weekend.
Thank you to Splash Island, Mr. Sonny Torres, Bert, our safety manager, and everybody else. Thank you, Annika from Ford, for the sweet ride. We'll see you guys again next week. Weekend Warriors!